Hello, and welcome to Elementary. I'm your host, Ethan, and I'll be guiding you through the world of quantum physics. I was designed by Natalie to bring you knowledge of what everything in the universe is made of. Today we will try to go a bit basic, assuming you don't know much about this subject. So let's start. The elements are sorted and categorized using a chart known as the periodic table. Each of the 118 elements is a different type of atom. Each element is numbered based on various factors, including number of shells, protons, neutrons, electrons, atomic mass, and likeness to other elements. And that's the reason why it looks the way it is. The periodic table got its name for how it is laid out. The table is split into families and periods, hence the name periodic. The periods and families act like longitude and latitude like on a world map. The period numbers include 1 through 18 running left to right, while there are 7 families running top to bottom. There are 10 categories of elements. Most elements are metals. In fact, 80% of the table are metals. The 6 metal categories are alkali metals, alkali earth metals, transition metals, post-transition metals, metalloids, lanthanoids, and acridines. Each block on the table represents an individual type of element. The element symbol comprises of 1 or 2 letters that correspond with the element's Latin or Greek name. You will also find the atomic number listed in the top right corner of the block. The atomic number is not only the number in which it appears, but is also the number of protons in center or nucleus of the atom. As well as the symbol and number, the atomic mass is usually included on the block. The weight displayed is an extremely small unit known as AMU or Dalton, which is the equivalent of 1 septillionth of a gram. A paper clip weighs about a gram. Atoms all have shells. These are rows orbiting electrons. There are various numbers of shells that a type of element can have, ranging from 1 to 7. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.